The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. The Waldner Cup 2024. A clash of legends and rising stars. Get ready for an epic showdown. The Waldner Cup 2024 is set to bring together the greatest table tennis talents from around the world in an exciting battle between Team World and Team Asia. This unique event, led by iconic captains Jan-Ove Waldner and Malong, promises to deliver a spectacular celebration of the sport. Team World, Jan-Ove Waldner. Captain Truls Moregardh, Sweden. Dmitry Ovcharov, Germany. Hugo Calderano, Brazil. Adriana Diaz, Puerto Rico. Bernadette Sox, Romania. Team Asia, Ma Long. Captain Chen Meng, China. Jang Woo-jin, South Korea. Lim Jong-hoon, South Korea. Shin Yu-bin, South Korea. Kirill Gerasimenko, Kazakhstan. Manika Batra, India. Event details. Date 12th to 15th of December 2024. Location Oslo, Norway. Venue Gullhaug Torg. 3 fans will experience 4 days packed with electrifying matches, unforgettable moments, and entertainment beyond table tennis.
Hi everyone, Truls Moregardh here. I'm super excited to play the Waldner Cup in Oslo in a few days. So many superstars like Malong and Chen Meng and Dmitry Ovcharov and many more will play, and I'm super excited to be in the team and in the opposite team as well to play against these superstars. It will of course be very fun to have Waldner as my captain, and to play against Malong as a captain will be a very difficult task. So hope to see many of you there, and yeah, let's go world.
We also have Chen Meng playing the Waldner Cup. What is your comment about Chen Meng?
Chen Meng is very important for table tennis, and also with the 2 last Olympic Games she won, and also she's a fantastic player. I think she's one of the greatest ever in table tennis, so it's fantastic that she's coming. So we're looking forward to have her in Waldner Cup.
大家好，我是中国乒乓球运动员陈梦。12月13日至15日，我将在挪威奥斯陆参加首届老瓦杯比赛，和我一起期待吧。
大家好，我是林云如。因为个人赛程变更，很遗憾我无法去到奥斯陆参加 Waldner Cup。对那些希望在 Waldner Cup 看到我的球迷，我要说声抱歉。虽然无法参赛，但我仍然会为马龙和亚洲队加油鼓劲。Waldner Cup 是一项具有里程碑意义的赛事，祝今年的赛事取得圆满成功，也希望明年我能够成为亚洲队的一员。谢谢大家。
Hi everyone, I am Manika Batra from India. So I have really exciting news to share with you all, that I'll be a part of the Waldner's Cup, which is on 24th and 25th of November, this November. So mark your calendars, and yeah, so it will be like Team Asia versus Team World, and I'll be representing Team Asia, and we have an incredible players on our side. So cheer for Team Asia and see you all there.
Hey guys, my name is Dima Ovcharov. I'm very excited to announce my participation at the Waldner Cup, first ever among so many other superstars, like for example Malong. Really looking forward for that event, which is similar like the Ryder Cup in golf or the Lever Cup in tennis. Hope to see you there.
This is the Waldner Challenge. Nu kör vi! Nu kör vi!
Nu kör vi!
1, 2, 3, yes! Bra!
Oh.
Yes, ska vi! Wow! Easy? No problem.
Stop!
We are in top. Top 10. Maybe top 10.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.